everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and today I have brought another recipe, a unique recipe. This is called Chinese pancakes. This afternoon I made for my family and they just loved it. And whenever I make, they just enjoy it so much, and I'm sure if you make for your family and friends, they are gonna have blast. And the dipping sauce which we are gonna make along with these Chinese pancakes are next level. Yes, my mouth is still watering whenever I think about these sauces. So without any further delay, let's get started. Ingredient list you can see on the screen. These chilies I have soaked for about half an hour in warm water. I'll place these chilies in blender jar. This water you can throw it off. Now I'll add 1/4 cup coconut milk and make a smooth paste. This chili paste is ready. As you can see, this is very smooth. Here I have taken a pan. In that I have added 1 tablespoon coconut oil. I'll transfer this chili paste in coconut oil pan. On medium-low flame we will start cooking this. As it starts cooking, we will add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of sugar. Keep stirring it. Slowly you will see this paste will start becoming thick. Friends, any questions, suggestion or feedback, please comment in the comment box. Now we will add 1 cup of coconut milk in that. Keep cooking this on low flame. After a couple of minutes you will see this chutney sauce will become thick. Now this is ready. Friends, if you're a fan of spicy sauce, then this sauce is perfect for you. You can use with any snack. Also, you can store this sauce for 15 days in fridge. Now let's prepare soya and sesame dipping sauce. For that I have shared the ingredient list. In a bowl we will add 2 tablespoons soya sauce, half a tablespoon white vinegar, half a teaspoon sesame oil. You can roast the sesame and that also you can add. It will enhance the flavor. Half a teaspoon salt. Soya sauces are salty, so make sure that you use less salt. Here I am taking 2 garlic cloves. I have small grater, so in that I am gonna add my garlic cloves and grate the garlic. Now this easy peasy soya sesame dipping sauce is ready. While serving, you can add some cut spring onions to it. That will give amazing flavor to this sauce. Friends, both our sauces are ready. These both sauces are so delicious that I promise you they will not disappoint you. Let's prepare our spring onion pancakes. I have shared the ingredient list. Before preparing the dough, we will prepare oil flour paste. For that I have 1 cup of flour and half a cup of sesame oil. We will combine them and this will look like this. Let's prepare the dough. An important tip: whenever you are storing any kind of flour, add a bay leaf to it. That will prevent any insect coming to the flour. Here I have a big bowl. In that I am gonna add 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt. Here I have 1.5 cup hot water. Make sure the water is very hot. Now with little water we'll start mixing the flour. Make sure that you use spatula, not hands, because the water is hot. Don't get so excited on adding water. Add little only. When you see all the flour has come together, put it on the flat surface and start kneading by hands. Make sure you use both the hands. Keep kneading for about 3 to 4 minutes. This dough has to be soft, so make sure that you add enough water but not extra water. After 4 minutes of kneading, this dough is ready. It's very soft. Now in the same bowl we will transfer this dough. Cover with a lid and leave this dough for about 30 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the dough is ready. It's very soft. Now remove the dough from the bowl and keep on the flat surface. Guys, here I have cut about 1.5 cup of spring onions. Now sprinkle some dry flour on the surface and roll the dough into cylindrical shape. Now cut this dough into 8 pieces. Make sure they all are equal. Start rolling these pieces into ball. Except one dough ball, rest keep in the bowl and cover them so they don't get dry. Now on the surface sprinkle some dry flour and with the help of rolling pin start making this ball flat. If required, add more dry flour. Roll this as big as possible because that will help to make our pancakes more flaky. Now we'll take our oil and flour paste. This paste only will make our pancake flaky. Spread this all over. Sprinkle about 1/4 cup of spring onion and start rolling this inside. Do everything as shown in video. Now take one corner and start rolling that to the end and take the end and push it below the ball like this. Press the dough gently. Now sprinkle some dry flour on the surface and start rolling this back like roti or tortilla. Now this is done. As you can see, this looks beautiful. Now we will place this on a tissue paper or kitchen towel and cover them with a cotton cloth. Now same way we will prepare our other pancakes. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. That way you will get all the notification as soon as I post the video. Friends, before placing second pancake on the plate, make sure you sprinkle some dry flour, else your pancakes will start sticking to each other. Now all the pancakes are ready to shallow fry. I have prepared the plate with some kitchen towel on top. Keep the pan on the stove and switch on the flame. Keep the flame very low. Pour some oil and then transfer one pancake on the pan. Pour some oil on top of the pancake also and cook this pancake on very low flame. One side pancake is ready, we'll flip it. Give press to these pancakes. This will give a very beautiful color to the pancakes. As you can see how beautiful this looks. Our first pancake is ready. Place that on plate. I'm showing you guys how flaky this pancake paratha is. Now same way we will prepare our other pancakes. Friends, all the pancakes are ready. As you can see, they look beautiful and they are so flaky. Once they all are ready, we are gonna cut them into 4 pieces and serve them with our yummy dipping sauces. Friends, this is our lunch today. Try this recipe out. I'm sure you and your family is gonna have blast. You can serve this to your guests also and get lots of compliments from them. Friends, these sauces and pancakes complements each other. This is a must-try recipe. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.